Dear students, welcome back in Refraction of Light, that is a chapter of physics for class 10. So far we have already studied about the rules of refraction through a convex lens. Now it is turn to study about the formation of image by convex lens. So in case of convex lens, there are total 6 positions where we can put the objects. The first case is the object is placed between optical center and focus, between O and F. In second case, we will put the object over focus. In third case, the object is placed between F and 2F. In fourth case, the object is placed at 2F. In fifth case, the object is placed beyond 2F. And in the last case, the object is placed at infinity. So there are total 6 positions where we can put objects in front of a convex lens. We are going to study about the very first object. That is, when the object is placed between optical center and focus, then how the image is formed, which type of image is formed, what is the nature of the image, what is the size of the image, that we have to study in this video. So first of all, we have to draw a diagram of lens, convex lens, draw principal axis, show the sign of focus and twice of focus. Just you have to keep one point in your mind, that the distance between O and F should be equal to the distance between F and 2F. Now, according to the question, we have to place the object between O and F, like here. Now this is the object, and for this object we have to form the image. From head of the object we will have to select 2 incident ray, so that we will get 2 refracted ray, and we will see whether the 2 refracted ray actual meets or appear to meet. If the 2 refracted ray actually meet, then real image is formed, and if the 2 refracted rays are appear to meet, then virtual image is formed. So from this one we have to select 2 incident ray. So starting from the first incident ray, this is parallel to the principal axis. This is the incident ray coming from the head of the object, which is parallel to the principal axis. The rule is saying that it will pass through focus after refraction. So this is the first refracted ray. For second refracted ray, we have to select the second incident ray, which is coming from the head of the object and passing through the optical center of the lens. So this is the incident ray which is passing through the optical center, and the rule is saying that if a ray of light is passing through optical center of the lens, it goes undeviated without bending. So it is just going straight like this. So there are 2 refracted rays. If we will see very close to the diagram, then we will see that these 2 rays are deviated from each other. They will never meet when produced in this direction. That's why we have to produce in backward direction to meet it. So these 2 rays, when produced backward, they will meet here. And if the rays are produced to meet, then we have to draw the dotted line for this. So the image is virtual image. Characteristic of image is the image is formed at the same side as the object. The object is in front of the lens, the image is also formed in front of the lens. Virtual and direct, because dotted lines are used here, and obviously it is seen that the object size is less than the image size, means the size of image is larger than that of the object, larger than the object. These are the characteristics of the image formed when the object is placed between optical center and focus. In second case, we have to place the object at focus. This is the parallel ray coming from the head of the object, and it is parallel to the principal axis. By rule, it should go through focus, and second one, it should go through optical center. Then the rule is saying that it goes undeviated. These 2 rays are parallel to each other. If these 2 rays are not parallel, it means we are committing some mistakes. So we have to keep one point in the mind, that when the object is placed at focus, then the 2 refracted rays are parallel to each other. It will never meet, either when it is produced in forward direction or in backward direction. That's why in this case we are here to write the image is formed at infinity because infinity can't be defined. The two parallel rays will never intersect. That's why we have to write the image is formed at infinity and we cannot define infinity. The image is real and inverted and highly magnified. When the object is placed at focus, the image is always real, the image is always highly magnified. So this is all about of the two positions of the object in front of the convex lens. Thank you.